Hello, students. It's your last lesson of the week before our vacation starts. It's Friday, the 25th of September, and our last day of September that we are attending school, and you are watching this writing video, even though it's Friday, the last day before vacation. And I commend you for doing that, following through on your work until it is done. And then you can go off and enjoy your vacation, having completed everything in time. So let's look again at these letters that go under the line, and that would be the drop lowercase, like G and J and P and Q and Y. And we've talked about these several times. They all extend below that black line, and they all stop right on this dotted line. Now, the only exception is that there's a dot on the letter J, which goes above the line. But those are all of them. And we will be moving on to new letters come October 5th when we come back to school. So let's practice first. Right now, I want you to watch. Don't write anything yet. I'll show you again the correct strokes for the letter Y. It's a diagonal line first in this direction. Then stop there at the bottom line. Then another diagonal line. And now it looks exactly like a V. In fact, it is a V right now. But you continue following through with the tail until it extends below this line. So one stroke, two strokes. Okay, pretty easy. However, I see a lot of people doing something like this. They'll make like this, and then they'll go like that, and then they make stroke number 3 like that. And it looks okay, but you've got to get the strokes in the right direction. Okay, the first one slants forward like that, in that direction. And then the next one has the diagonal going backwards in the other direction, and the tail keeps going. Okay, whoops, it's not supposed to be red. That was a good one, so I'm supposed to make the good ones blue. And that's what I'll do. One good stroke here, pick it up, and then follow through. So let's avoid the errors with the letter Y, and make sure it has a tail like all of these other drop lowercase letters. Okay, then after that, write these words. We've got some new words here that start with a Y. We've got yank, like I yank the rope or something that you yank. You can yank your shoelace. Okay, yank is to pull something, and it means to pull it fast. Or you yank your tooth out. You guys have loose teeth a lot of times, and sometimes you just have to yank it out. Here's an interesting word, yolk, yolk. This is an egg yolk. You know the yellow part of the egg? It's called the yolk, and it has this silent L, kind of like walk has a silent L, or talk has a silent L. Yolk also has this silent L. But again, we're focused primarily on the letter Y. It makes y sound, and make sure you're writing it correctly. Down here we have the word yarn, and yarn is kind of like a string, but it's used to sew things. You can make blankets or sweaters out of yarn. And then finally, another Y word is yap, and that is the sound that little dogs make. Little dogs don't bark, they yap. And you guys know the difference in the sound of a yap of a little dog versus the bark of a big dog. And again, one last time before you start vacation, practice those numbers. We need numbers looking like capital letters, all touching this top line and the bottom line, just like capitals. And that is all you have today. I just wrote you a short message on top, and it says, enjoy your vacation. See you on 10/5/20. That is October 5th, 2020. It's about 9 days from now. And today is the last day before vacation. So you have made it through this writing lesson. Once you're done with it and you finish the other assignments for today, you can feel very satisfied that you have done everything you need to do for school, done a good job at it, and then go enjoy your vacation guilt-free, having done everything you need to do. And that's it, guys. Have a fantastic week off. I'll see you in 9 days.